I hope you really enjoy this next episode of Motor Stringer, in which a kitten was trapped in a storm drain and a police officer from the city of Alhambra in Southern California came to the rescue of the kitten.
Come on, baby, come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. All right. Well, you heard him. Hold on a second. Yeah, little kitty. He's scared. You see him? I don't want to touch him. There's a bathroom. 103. It's up to you.
I can't take him.
No?
Now you're probably taking him.
All right. Well, we just found a home for you.
So what were you guys doing? You were just
Oh, we were just walking down the street, and we heard some meowing, and I thought it was up in the trees. So we came over to investigate, and we found it in the storm drain. So then, that's it. We waved down a police officer, and he came to help.
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Andrew Rodriguez.
So you're gonna take the kitty home?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll take him in.
You think of a name yet, or you just?
Nah.
Scared,
Do you have other kitties, or?
No, I had one a while ago, but got ran over by cars.
Oh, so you weren't really looking for a cat this evening, right?
No, came to me as a surprise.
Oh, so that's you're a good Samaritan, and you're gonna take the cat.
Mm-hmm.
Little thing's scared.
But he's got a new owner.
Yeah.
I think the perfect name for this kitten should be Stormy, since he was rescued out of a storm drain. Let us know what you would name the kitten below in the comments.
How long was the officer trying to get him out for?
30, 40 minutes maybe. We were standing out here.
30, 40 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you enjoyed watching this amazing kitten rescue as much as I did bringing it to you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and come back and watch some more of our videos. Thank you.